Boom! What is up, you guys? We got today brand new box, just came in the mail. We're gonna open it up, see what we got inside. So what do we got? We have these little sequencing turn signals. These go onto the mirror, and it's gonna replace the ones that we have now. And instead of just lighting up, just dink, 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 what we're gonna see is we're actually gonna have the whole sequence. It's gonna go whoop, whoop. It's gonna do the whole thing. So just a little styling thing. I saw this on Reddit. Somebody had theirs. They posted their ones they got, and I said, okay, I'm gonna check this out. See how much on Amazon. $50 on Amazon. That's it. That's it. $50 for a pair of these. The only worry is that it does say RAV4, but in the description it did say RAV4 and 3rd Gen Tacoma. So let's go put them on. All right, so before we get started, let's take a look at what these things look like right now. So I just got this one blinking. See, it's kind of boring. It lights up. It's really dim right here, brighter here and on the sides, but it's kind of boring. This new one should be pretty cool. It's gonna light up, it's gonna sequence, it's gonna go bloop, 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 bloop. It's gonna be a lot of fun. So let's go ahead, let's take these apart. Let's put them on. All right, so check it out. Inside the box, it comes with all the tools that we need. We actually have a little prying tool here so that we can get the cap off, and we even get a flathead screwdriver. For some reason, we didn't have a screwdriver, but we got tons of screwdrivers. And probably tons of wind noise too. Very windy day today. Well, let's get cracking, quite literally. We're getting a bit here. Let's give it a little pop. Loosen up. Loosen up around the edges. Keep going. Pop, pop, pop. So you're probably asking, did it come with instructions? Like, no, maybe. Would I have read them anyways? No, of course not. It like reseated itself. Oh, no it didn't. Oh shit, did I break it? Oh, I totally did. But that was bad. Oh, okay. You know what? It's a little sacrifice. It's not a big deal. But I am seeing why I wasn't getting that out. This is really clipped in there super well. Just look at this. So there's the piece that just broke off here. That's probably less than ideal. But if you look on the top, like it's clipped in. It's deep on there. Alright, so from what I've seen, we got this screw here. Got this screw here too. There we go. Coming in with the Huskies. Remember, Husky, I keep telling you, dude, contact me. We'll collab, we'll do a video, we'll make cool truck stuff happen. It'll be a lot of fun. You don't even have to spend a lot of money. I'm over here just doing it for the clout. So I'm trying to see what we're missing here. Doesn't seem like much. It's already wanting to come out. Bro, I barely even touched that. Oh, man. This one's gonna be an embarrassing one to put out there. You guys are gonna see me just breaking my new truck, doing stupid stuff with this little light. Oh, absolutely embarrassing. There we go. There we go. So you can see there's the two pieces there. We have our new smoky one, and we have this clear one. You know what we forgot to do? We forgot to record what they look like. I'll record the other side. I'm assuming we'll line up the black and the white and the red and the there. Let's take a look real quick. There we go. Look at that. That's pretty neat. Alright. The risk of breaking it right the other way doesn't work. Perfect. Because I broke the little bracket for it. It's okay, it's just a little bracket, not a big deal. Just some apparently brittle plastic. Eesh. I didn't need to take off that other side, but I did. That's it. All done. I'm done. Look at that. Beautiful. Right there. I got this little gap. I can't quite get this to clip into place. It's not clipping in down here either. You can actually feel that lip. All right, let's keep trying. That's it. Just on the. Oh, better. Perfect. Look at those. Those are beautiful. Look at that. What a world difference. You like them, bud?
Yeah.
Looks way cooler than before, huh?
Uh-huh.
It's kind of boring before.
I never
just
even noticed that.
blink, blink, blink. But now, whoosh, just like that. Whoosh. There you go. That's it. We are all done. That's a wrap. Cut it. So, that was pretty easy. I think only took a few minutes, no more than like 15 minutes to get that done. So much better. Like the truck just looks so much better with those. Probably gonna look into maybe some nicer headlights. The 17s are fine, but they don't really have that kind of LED. They're not as great as like what the new ones look like the new 2020s. Beautiful headlights. These, they're fine. They do the job. Now, are these gonna help me off-roading? Oh. But they look nice and they're fine. You know, when it's your truck and you just want it to look good and feel good, that's all it takes. Looking good, feeling good, being good. Hold on. Can you see that goober in my glasses? I can see him. Hey, goober.
Hi.
So, alright guys. Well, hey, thanks for joining me on this one. You guys have a great night. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe.
Yeah, do it. Good night.
Alright. Thanks, everybody.